Here it is. Looks like this safe has been waiting for its moment for a long time. Digging deep inside the wall, definitely not the decoration. Makes you wonder, what could be inside, if someone buried it so securely in concrete? First step, crack the code. Just 6 digits, how hard could it be? Yeah, sounds easy. In reality, not a single combination works. The safe stays silent. Cold and stubborn, almost mocking us. Oh, that's clever. Look, if you shine the light at an angle, you can see which buttons are worn out. That means someone's already tried this code before, or at least tried something. Now it's a game of patience. He goes through one combination after another, marking each one on the surface with a marker. Minutes drag on, numbers blur together, but quitting isn't an option. And then, a click. Got it. Finally, but wait. What's that? Another door inside. With a regular lock. Time for heavy tools. A drill, screwdriver, hammer drill, a full arsenal. The metal screeches, pieces fly, but the door refuses to give up. Looks like it's not open. Hold on, through that tiny gap. Something's shining in there. Gold. Or just a reflection. In that flame light. He flips the safe, time for brute force. The grinder screams, sparks fly, metal melts, tension builds. It feels like, any second now. Whatever's in there, it's definitely worth it. Yes. Finally. After all that struggle, it's open at last. And, wow. Just look at this. Stacks of cash, 2 iPhones, gold, a real treasure trove. Every bill seems to whisper, told you it was worth the wait. But wait, what's that little box in the corner? Looks ordinary, but what if that's where the real treasure is? Carefully, just a bit of pressure. There we go. Inside, more money. Jewelry. Chains, rings, earrings. Feels like someone hid their entire fortune here, waiting for the right moment. That's how it is, friends, one safe, one story. And who knows how many more secrets are still buried beneath dust and concrete.